welcome you all on behalf of CSI chapters, vcode of Vit-Ap University. We'll take a look at a Python topic today. It is also very important topic, and it is tuples. So, what are tuples? Tuples are like list, but the data in tuples it is immutable. You cannot change the data in a tuple. Okay, and whereas in list you can do it easily. So yeah, that's the basic difference between tuple and a list or an array. Okay, so let's head on straight with an example because it is not very difficult topic, but you'll get questions from this topic. It is not very difficult, although you'll get questions from it because it is kind of useful and like companies, big projects, it is useful topic. Okay, so let's start. So I'm creating a tuple which is day and I'm adding some data to it. So yeah, let's add a string and let's call it check. Okay, so I have added some data in this tuple and you can try printing. If we do, well, you can see it is print out check. That's all. That was our tuple. It's kind of easy to create a tuple, and you can also check the type of this. Yeah, it is print out class tuple because we are creating a tuple. It is print out class tuple. So it's very basic till now. So what I'll do, I'll add this tuple to another tuple, like, and do this once more. I wanna do it multiple times. I wanna add this tuple to another tuple. So how can we do it? I wanna do it multiple times. So for saving up my hard work, what I can do, I can use for loop. Okay. So I'll just use for loop for I and let's say I wanna add it 2 times. So we have to use for I in range 2. And we can modify the value of a as. So what will happen is the value of a will get changed. And now if we print a, we can take a look at the output. First, this was our initial tuple. Let me just implement this. So yeah, first of all, this was our initial tuple. Then our code, it will enter the for loop. So first of all, it will add my tuple, check and comma. That's all. This is my data in the initial tuple. So it will add this thing in another tuple, and you can see it is the tuple, second tuple. Now it will add it one more time to this tuple. Okay, and you'll get this tuple as the output. And I think you guys may have a doubt that I said that tuples, they are immutable. We cannot change the data in a tuple. So yeah, how am I changing the data in tuple? How am I changing the value of a? So what I meant is we cannot change the value inside the tuple. We can change the variable of a tuple, but we cannot change the data inside of a tuple. So yeah, if we do something like this, so yeah, let's see. I'm redefining the value of 0th index of this tuple. So yeah, let's say I'm doing just this. Will it work? Let's find out. So you can see Python, it is throwing an error. Why is it throwing an error? Because the data in a tuple, it is not immutable. So what we can do is, if we try to change some data, we know Python code, it will throw an error. How can we escape from this error? So I already told you about this try block. So we'll use that. And this try block, it is followed by except block. So try to run this code. You'll not get any error and your code will just run fine. So I hope it was clear to you guys. If you have any doubt, you can just ask us in the comment section. You can also ask any of our vcode pro members if you have any doubt. They'll be more than happy to help you. You can also join our WhatsApp groups. You can take a look at our previous videos. You can, because we can make the video to like so that you can get, but you have to watch it. You have to watch it carefully because you cannot learn if you do not will. It's up to your way. It's your wish. If you want to do, I'm not saying that you have to do this or not. It's up to you. So yeah, you can watch our videos. We have more than like 130 videos on our platform, on our YouTube platform. So yeah, you can take a look at that. Yeah, and till then, bye bye. See you guys in our next video. Thank you.